Right, in this video, we're going to take another look at the if function, but we're going to add a little bit of a twist from last time. Okay, so what I have here is a few kind of random numbers, and then I have names of different types of meat. So I'm going to, in column C over here, I'm going to add an if function. If function, if you can't remember how to get functions, they're up here in the fx, insert function, click on that, and I'm going to look up if. And we'll search for that. There is if right there. We're going to use the regular one and press OK. Okay, so it gives us this box. So logical test. So I want to, for example, if we look over here, 4, 8, 19, 17, 5, some of them really need to catch up. So I'm going to say if I have these small ones, then let's catch them up by making them bigger. Okay, so logical test is going to be if my number, A1 in this case, is smaller than 10. Okay, so we can see that's true. So far this is exactly the same as what we did in the last one, if. But here's where we're going to do something different. We're going to insert a formula in here based on that number right there. So if it's too small, basically I want to add something. So let's say I want to add 10. So I'm going to click here, A1 plus 10. And you see here, it does the calculation for us here. And so A1 is 4. 4 plus 10 is 14, and it gives us the 14. Okay, value if false. So if A1 is not less than 10, so if A1 is more than 10, then what do I want? Well, let's just put A1 again. It doesn't change. So I typed A1, but you could just click in there, and you'll get A1 as well. So we press OK, and there we go, 14. We copy it down. And here we go. This one was 8, but it became 18. This one was 19. That's bigger than 10, so it just stayed at 19. This one was 17. Bigger than 10, it stays at 17. 5 is smaller than 10. We add 10, 15. Okay, so that's an easy formula that we could do. We could do another kind of formula. Let's go back into the formula here, or back into the function. Okay, condition doesn't change. I just want to change the formula. So let's say A1, and let's say multiply by 3. So multiply is the star or asterisk, shift 8 on your keyboard, and then 3. And again, if false, we'll just leave it as it is and don't change it. So we press OK, and this becomes 12. Let's copy it down. And okay, here we go. So 4 became 12 because we times 4 times 3 is 12. 8 times 3 is 24. 19 times 3, but wait a minute. 19 is bigger than 10, so we don't have to do times. It just stays at 19. 17 stays at 17. 5 times 3 is up to 15. And so obviously you could do all sorts of things with this. You could have different equations. You can have different formulas and whatnot. So yeah, that is it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.